Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about how you can become a teacher in spite of being in any profession. So it is not necessary if you're doing some other jobs, like if you are a software engineer or you are a student, a chef, or you're an HR, you're in any profession. But is it possible that you can teach? Yes, it is. But practically it is not, I would say, in physical world. If you want to teach in a school or in an institution, maybe you would require a professional degree for teaching. But this is 2020 and here is the amazing thing that happened to the human mankind, that is coronavirus. Why I'm saying amazing? Because of this you can do any job sitting at your home. So it doesn't matter you are in whichever profession, you can teach online and without any professional degree. So how you can do it, that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to reveal that how much you can earn by teaching from home and how much I am earning by teaching from home. For that, you have to watch the video till the end. So without further ado, let's start. So here I am talking about the different platforms that are available online for teaching. Now, how you can do it? For sure, if you want to teach and if you want to earn money through using these websites, you have to pay a little amount for registrations. These are not free. Now, I am going to tell you about not all of these websites, though the registration must be little similar. So the first one here is which I am using by myself. Though I am a teacher professionally, I do have a professional teaching bachelor's degree and I have already taught in 2-3 international schools, but then also I registered in it as being an independent tutor. I am doing it by using this amazing website that in which I have registered I think 4 months ago, which is urbanprotutors.com. How you have to register, I'm going to tell you step by step method. Okay, so first we will start with searching it on Google, urbanprotutors.com, and then when we scroll down, you have to select this option, then it will appear for your name and then mobile number. So after that, you enter that, you will get an OTP for your verification. After entering that, you will have to provide all the details related to the subject you want to teach or you're proficient in, which university you have got graduated, and if you have completed it or not, or you're pursuing. So it doesn't matter if you're pursuing as well. And then you have to select the option that you are comfortable with teaching online or not. Then you have to select the boards, CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, state, any board you want to teach. And then you have to select the subjects according to all those boards, whichever subjects you are comfortable with. You can choose all of those subjects. It doesn't matter if it is a language subject or any subject. Then you have to choose the number of years of experience. If it is 0, then also it is fine. If it is 10 years, 5 years, absolutely okay. Then you have to choose the price according to per hour. After that, this screen will appear for silver, gold and platinum membership. I select silver, and then you will see the screen that the payment method screen will appear. After the payment, you will get this as the screen. And now this is my Urban Pro profile. So here I have been using it for 4 months, so I have already received many contacts. So if you see the contacted ones, if you have spent your coins, you will see their contact numbers. Then you can also schedule classes in Urban Pro, and you can teach through Urban Pro as well. So you can schedule it in your Google Calendar. Simply, you can check your insights, that how much is good your profile is. You can select for the fees which you want to charge, and then the base price, the course you take. So for example, I am taking 1st to 5th. Okay, so you can choose any of the courses. I take spoken English also. Then you can also choose for batches. So for example, I take only one batch, So I have been chosen for that. And the very important feature, I would say, you can also take assessments from using this Urban Pro app. So in this way, you can easily register in urbanprotutors.com and you can use your user-friendly application to take your classes. You can schedule it from Urban Pro as well, or you can use any other platform to teach like Zoom or Google Class. I personally prefer Zoom, that I told you, because I found it very much user friendly and it is simple to use. So that's why I use it. Now about other teaching platforms that you can register on and you can teach from home. So you can also teach from Vedantu.com. The procedure is near about similar, but there you have to register as a teacher and maybe you have to give an interview to clear it up and become a online teacher. And then you can also teach in webkidteachers.com. This is also a good online teaching platform. Then we have check.com, privatetutors.com. So you have many website options. Whichever you feel comfortable with, you can register and you can teach from home. So now the moment is here. I'm going to reveal today that how much you can earn by teaching from home. If you are a fresher, you can start from near about minimum 100 per hour, but an experienced teacher, you can also charge near about 300 to 500 per hour. That means if you are teaching the throughout of a whole month, you can earn a real good lump sum amount. And now the time that I am going to tell you about my earnings that I am earning from Urban Pro. I can tell you this directly because this is obviously not allowed according to the terms and conditions, but I can give you an idea. As I am an experienced teacher, have 3-4 years of experience, and you can set my bar there and you can identify how much I am earning per month. And I'm doing this independently, though I'm only teaching 4-5 students. I'm doing it in my own convenience and I'm feeling happy about it. So I hope this video is very much informative for you. Now you will not hesitate in terms of teaching, because obviously in our life we are teaching or we are learning something from now and there. So you can also teach in spite of being in any profession. Do it, carry forward it. So if you like this video, obviously you know what you have to do. You have to hit the like button, and if you want to watch my other videos, you can click on the link here above, and I will see you in my next video. Till that time, explore and learn.